Food etiquette is defined as the conventions of society that are to be followed while eating food. Food etiquettes change from culture to culture, so make sure you know the culture of people you are going to visit beforehand. General eating manners are: 1. Never eat and talk simultaneously. 2. Never gargle or rinse or burp, or belch while eating. 3. One should never go for business lunch or dinner with completely empty stomach, as it causes distress and reduces concentration. 4. At business meals, avoid eating food items that are difficult or inconvenient to handle. For example, chicken legs, item with large bones, noodles, items that crumble easily, etc. 5. Food should be chewed with mouth closed and in a balanced manner from both sides of the mouth. Do not make noise of chewing. 6. When conveying food to the mouth, bend your head slightly forward. 7. Every time you sit down to eat your food, spread napkin on your lap. 8. Throughout the meal, use napkin to wipe your lips. 9. Carry on a polite conversation during the meal. 10. Always remember people are more important than food. 11. If you get up from your seat and wish to return after some time, leave your napkin on the chair. 12. If you do not wish to return to the seat, leave your napkin loosely folded on the table.